Hello, this is Anna from TeamMate. In this short video, I will show you how the components of the TeamMate PBX connector work together to turn Microsoft Teams into the ultimate softphone that is fully integrated with your PBX. We'll use this diagram for the demonstration. On the left side is Microsoft Teams. The area to the right is TeamMate's application delivery network. The main components are the TeamMate orchestration platform that is responsible for managing all the processes that are required to provision and manage our application in Microsoft Teams. The TeamMate SIP back-to-back user agent, a proprietary system that registers a Teams user to a unique SIP extension on the PBX. And the AudioCodes SBC, a session border controller that is certified to interconnect with Microsoft Direct Routing. All these components run in Microsoft Azure across multiple regions throughout the world. The next area to the right represents your PBX platform. We have verified interoperability with over 80 different PBX vendors. If your PBX is not listed, don't worry. As long as it is SIP compatible, there's a great chance that we can make it work. And lastly, the area on the right side of the diagram is the public switch telephone network. When a new Microsoft Enterprise is first provisioned in TeamMate, we map desired Teams users to a corresponding SIP user identity on the PBX. As a result of the mapping, the Teams user essentially becomes a registered SIP softphone for a specific extension of the PBX. For example, we could map the Teams user Joe at onmicrosoft.com to the PBX extension 1001 at sip.com. The provisioning process is fully automated from the TeamMate Enterprise Provisioning Portal, where we launch processes that call Microsoft's Graph API and PowerShell scripts in order to create the direct routes and user configurations that are needed to connect calls from Microsoft to the PBX. Once an enterprise is provisioned, and all the desired Teams users are mapped with corresponding SIP identities, the TeamMate back-to-back user agent will generate individual registrations to the PBX on behalf of each Teams user. From the perspective of the PBX, the TeamMate registrations appear like any other SIP endpoint. Note that all the registrations will originate from a public IP address in the Microsoft Azure cloud. As a result, the PBX need not deal with private IP addresses and NAT traversal. When a call is placed, the SIP signaling traverses the back-to-back user agent, while the media streams directly between the SBC and the PBX. This maximizes call quality by minimizing the number of call streams for the RTP. It's worth noting here that the call leg between Microsoft and the back-to-back user agent is totally separated from the call leg between the back-to-back user agent and the PBX. This means that the call leg facing Teams can use TCP and TLS as required by Microsoft for direct routing, while the call leg facing the PBX can use UDP, TCP, or TCP with TLS. This gives you greater flexibility to meet differing PBX requirements. That concludes this presentation. I hope that you found the information valuable. If you're interested in learning more, please reach out to us. Thanks for watching.